Credo Reference is a database with access to over 3 million full-text reference entries from credible sources on virtually every topic. Credo can help you brainstorm topics, identify keywords and search terms, and can provide you with background information and bibliographies for further research. Navigate to Credo by visiting the library website and selecting Resources. Then select databases A through Z. Select C or scroll down to Credo Reference. Use the search bar to type in your topic, and you'll get results including articles, images, library resources, and a map of related concepts. You can also filter your results on the right-hand side of the page using the filter options. The mind map will help you discover connections between related topics and concepts, which can be useful when narrowing your topic. As you can see, our original topic is in the center, and related topics to explore are connected. You can explore related topics in the mind map by selecting them within your search results, or by opening the mind map by selecting the button in the bottom right hand of the map. Selecting a related topic will bring you to a results page for that topic and will also generate a new mind map with further related concepts. For further assistance or answers to questions about databases, please contact us at library@rockford.edu.